In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove a green screen in less than 2 minutes completely for free in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can get something that looks like this instead of this. Let's get right into it. So I have this video right here, or this loop of a TV screen. So I'm going to click, I'm going to highlight the video, and I'm going to click under to effects. If you don't have effects, just go under to window and click effects. Under effects, you want to type in color key. And under keying, click color key and drag that onto the video. As you can see, it's now color purple. It means the effect has been applied. And under the effects control, you want to click this eyedropper tool. And then on the screen, or the color you want to remove, in this case, it's the green screen. See what I did there? Click, and it removes the color. But as you can see when we play the video, it's not completely removed. So you want to go back under effects control, color key. Under color tolerance, you want to click here and drag this to the right. As you can see, it will remove more of the color. And edge thin, you can also drag this to the right and it removed it. You don't want to go too much. 1 is typically good, but you can do 2 or 3. And then color tolerance, I usually typically do like 100, 130. So notice that it removed the background right there when I did 130. That's not what we want. So you can always drag this back to the left until you are happy or satisfied. And that doesn't look too bad at all. Add a video. This is the before. This is the after. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below, subscribe to the